1080p HD video doorbell with enhanced features that let you see, hear, and speak to anyone from your phone, tablet, or PC. An update from the original Ring Video Doorbell. Enjoy improved motion detection, privacy zones and audio privacy, and crisper night vision. Receive mobile notifications when anyone presses your doorbell or triggers your built-in motion sensors. Powered by the built-in rechargeable battery or connects to existing doorbell wires for constant power. Easily set up by connecting your Ring Video Doorbell to Wi-Fi through the Ring app and mounting with the included tools. With a Ring Protect plan, subscription sold separately, record all your videos, review what you missed for up to 180 days, and share videos and photos. Pair with select Alexa-enabled devices to enable announcements and two-way talk for convenient in-home monitoring. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome device. I'm a mature female and this was easy to install and easy to download the app to my phone. Very simple to use the app that allows me to see my home yard from anywhere and answer the doorbell from anywhere as well. Clear pictures and video with a wide viewing range. Night photo and video are high quality as well. I liked it so much I bought 2 more units. Several of my coworkers liked it so much that they plan to order one for themselves.